Next, fifth one. Show that one and only one out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3, where n is some positive integer. So this is the fifth question. Show that one and only one out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3, where n is some positive integer. So in general we can prove this by substituting in place of n, by substituting any positive integer. Suppose when n equal to 1, n plus 2 equal to 1 plus 2, 3, n plus 4 equal to 1 plus 4, 5. Now in these three values, which is divisible by 3? This value is divisible by 3. Now among these three, only n plus 2 value is divisible by 3. When you considering n equal to 2, n plus 2 equal to 2 plus 2, 4, n plus 4 equal to 2 plus 4, 6. When you observe all these three values, among these three, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. 6 is divisible by 3, that's why n plus 4 is divisible by 3. When n equal to 3, n plus 2 equal to 3 plus 2, 5, n plus 4 equal to 3 plus 4, 7. Among these three values, here n equal to 3 is divisible by 3. By substituting these positive integers in place of n, so by observing these three cases, we can say any one of either n or n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. So here in this context, by using Euclid's division lemma, you have to prove this one. That's why you have to consider n as any positive integer. Let n be any positive integer. And here we are checking whether these numbers are divisible by 3 or not. That's why we are taking divisor b as 3 and b equal to 3. By Euclid's division lemma, n equal to 3q plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than 3. Now possible values of this remainder is r may be, or possible values of r equal to 0, 1, 2. So in place of this equation, when you are substituting 0, 1, 2, n can be 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Now in these three cases, you have to check among these three values which value is divisible by 3. Now first case, when n equal to 3q, n plus 2 equal to 3q plus 2, n plus 4 equal to 3q plus 4. Now when you observe these three values, here 3q is divisible by 3, these two are not divisible by 3. So here n equal to 3q is divisible by 3. Now in these three values, in this case n is divisible by 3. Now second case, n equal to 3q plus 1. Now n plus 2 equal to 3q plus 1 plus 2. So 3q plus 3. N plus 4 equal to 3q plus 1 plus 4, which is equal to 3q plus 5. So when you observe these three values, 3q plus 1, 3q plus 3, 3q plus 5. Here 3q is divisible by 3, but 1 is not divisible by 3. Here 3q and 3 are divisible by 3. Here 3q is divisible by 3, but 5 is not divisible by 3. So here this value is divisible by 3. This is not divisible by 3. This value also not divisible by 3. So here n plus 2 equal to 3q plus 3 is divisible by 3. Now third case, n equal to 3q plus 2. n plus 2 equal to 3q plus 2 plus 2. So 3q plus 4. n plus 4 equal to 3q plus 2 plus 4. So 3q plus 6. When you observe these values, 3q plus 2, here 3q plus 2 is not divisible by 3, 3q plus 4 is not divisible by 3, 3q plus 6, 3q is divisible by 3, 6 also divisible by 3, therefore 3q plus 6 also divisible by 3. So here n plus 4 equal to 3q plus 6 is divisible by 3. So for this positive integer n, possible values are 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. We are checking all these three possible values. In each case, in first case, among these three values, n plus 2, n plus 4, only n value is divisible by 3, remaining two values are not divisible by 3. In second case, only n plus 2 value is divisible by 3, n and n plus 4 are not divisible by 3. In third case, n plus 4 is divisible by 3, n plus 2 n is not divisible by 3. So in all the cases we prove this one. By proving all these, we are concluding that one and only one out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3 where n is some positive integer. So ఇక్కడ by using Euclid division lemma ఇది ప్రూవ్ చేయమన్నారు కాబట్టి ఇలా ప్రూవ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఒకవేళ ఇన్ జనరల్ షో దట్ వన్ అండ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ n plus 2 n plus 4 is divisible by 3 అన్నప్పుడు ఇలా పాసిబుల్ వాల్యూస్ n కి పాసిబుల్ వాల్యూస్ మన ఇష్టం వచ్చినాయి. ఓన్లీ ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నేను 1 2 3 తీసుకున్నాను. ఇవే వాల్యూస్ తీసుకున్నాను నేను ఏం లేదు, మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన వాల్యూస్. సపోజ్ n వాల్యూ 10 తీసుకున్నాను అనుకో, n plus 2 ఎంత 10 plus 2 12, n plus 4 10 plus 4 14. Here among all these three, this value is divisible by 3. అలా మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ ఒక 2 3 తీసుకొని ఫైనల్ గా కంక్లూడ్ చేయొచ్చు. వన్ అండ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ వాల్యూస్ is divisible by 3. But by using Euclid division lemma, you have to prove like this. So this is about fifth problem. So after completion of this solution, all the 5 problems were completed. In first Roman, finding the HCF of 2 or more numbers by using Euclid division lemma. Remaining 4 problems also just now I explained. So afterwards, in the next session, I will explain exercise 1.2.